on, Wisconsin!
Hey, thanks for joining me again. Welcome back to the WisconsEV channel. It was a fun day here at the Pewaukee Kwik Charge for the open house. The biggest enjoyment that I got was when a viewer came up and said, "Oh, you're how I knew this was going on," and stuff. So many thanks to those that came out, that pumped up my ego and let me know that people are actually watching these videos. So I really do appreciate it, and thank you very much for coming out and showing your support, not just for me, but for EVs across the spectrum. We had a great showing. We had Rivian that did some ride and drives. They brought, I think 3 of their vehicles were here on displays and with, advisors and techs and stuff. So great. Thank you very much to Rivian for coming out. What other cars did I see? Well, we have the Equinoxes. That's boring. Those are the ones I see all the time. Polestar 2, which I got behind the wheel down in Las Vegas. That was fun. A Genesis, a couple of Ioniq 6s, a couple of trucks, some other Rivians that weren't from the company, and a couple of cars that don't even do fast charging. Smart car that just was electric, and some Teslas. Almost forgot about the most unique vehicle that we saw. That's the Harley-Davidson LiveWire Motorcycle. About a 15 kilowatt-hour battery for almost 150 miles of range, and it has the CCS port so it can fast charge. Very cool to check out. That's the first time I've seen one in person. It was just a really fun event, and so thank you. It's fun because you guys come out and we talk and we learn and we bounce ideas off each other, and we nerd out when appropriate. So just wanted to say thank you for that, because that is part of the big fun that I got, was just helping people feel more comfortable with their EVs. And that's one of the big reasons that I work hard on these videos, is to make sure that there's some confidence in the charging infrastructure and just jumping in with 2 feet and making the electric vehicle work for you. So again, big thanks from me. Thanks also from and to Fred Schnook from Wisconsin Clean Cities, Adam Schwartz from Kwik Charge, Kwik Trip. It was a fun event, and I will let you know the next time that we have one on the schedule. Stay tuned, as they say, for more information, but I'm pretty sure we'll do something maybe early summer or something like that to get people together again and talk, learn, laugh. It's just a great time.
Heat of the summer over desert land, where the sun beats down like a cattle brand. No sign of water, but you quench my thirst. You're the only one living, and still you burn your side.
Looking forward to having some more of these events, hopefully all over the state. Closer to Madison is easier for me, but that doesn't mean it's easier for you. So spread the word and make sure that people know that the charging is out there to support their EVs wherever they want to drive across the state. Thanks again for joining me, and hope to see you at the next one. Until then, we'll see you at the next charge here.